Ever wished for a break from reality? Movies are the answer. They're like portals to different worlds, full of adventure, laughter, and drama. From the moment the lights dim, we're transported to far-off lands, historical epics, or even fantastical realms. Movies let us live 1,000 lives, experience countless emotions, all from the comfort of our seats. Get ready to dive into the magic of movies. Think about the feeling of being fully immersed in a movie. The lights dim, the screen flickers to life, and suddenly you're transported to another world. Suddenly you're not just watching, you're part of the story. You feel the tension, the excitement, the emotions of the characters as if they were your own. Whether it's the bustling streets of a futuristic city with its neon lights and towering skyscrapers, or the sweeping landscapes of a period drama with its rolling hills and historic architecture, movies create immersive experiences that engage our senses. The stunning visuals, the captivating soundtracks, the intricate details in every scene, the powerful performances, they all work together to make us feel like we're right there in the action. The sound of footsteps echoing in a deserted alley, the rustle of leaves in a quiet forest, the swell of music that makes your heart race. These elements draw us in, making the experience unforgettable. Movies have the incredible power to change how we see the world. Remember Jaws? It made us terrified of the ocean. Or E.T., which taught us about friendship and acceptance. These iconic films weren't just entertainment, they sparked conversations, challenged our perspectives, and left a lasting impact on society. They remind us of the power of storytelling and its ability to influence our thoughts and beliefs. Section 4. Emotional roller coasters. Movies that move us. Let's be honest, we've all been there. Laughing hysterically during a comedy, holding back tears during a tearjerker, or feeling our hearts race during an action-packed thriller. Movies evoke a wide range of emotions, connecting us to the characters and their journeys. We cheer for the heroes, empathize with the underdogs, and experience the highs and lows right alongside them. Section 5, 2024's Cinematic Gems, your next big screen obsession. This year has already delivered some incredible cinematic experiences, but hold on to your popcorn because there's more to come. From superhero epics to thought-provoking dramas, 2024 is packed with must-see movies. Get ready for mind-blowing special effects, powerful performances, and stories that will stay with you long after the credits roll. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Directors and actors have poured their hearts and souls into these films. The meticulous editing and stunning visual effects will leave you in awe. Whether you're watching in a packed theater or from the comfort of your home, these movies are sure to spark conversations and leave lasting impressions. From international film festivals to local theaters, the excitement is palpable. So grab your tickets, gather your friends, and get ready for an unforgettable cinematic journey. Just like the classics that have stood the test of time, these new releases have the potential to become timeless treasures. The magic of cinema is alive and well in 2024. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of movies and let the adventure begin. Section 6. The enduring magic of movies. Movies are more than just entertainment. They are a window into different worlds, cultures, and experiences. They have the unique ability to evoke a wide range of emotions, from joy and laughter to tears and contemplation. They're a powerful form of art that transports us, inspires us, and challenges our perspectives. Through the magic of storytelling, movies can make us feel connected to characters and stories that are far removed from our own lives and stays with us long after the screen fades to black. The impact of a great film can linger in our minds, sparking conversations and reflections for days, weeks, or even years. Whether it's a classic from Hollywood's golden age or a cutting-edge blockbuster, movies have a timeless appeal that continues to captivate audiences worldwide. They bring people together, creating shared experiences and memories that are cherished for a lifetime. So grab your popcorn, dim the lights, and get ready to be transported to another world. The magic of movies lies in their ability to make us dream, to take us on adventures, and to remind us of the beauty and complexity of the human experience. Whether you're watching a heartwarming romance, a thrilling action flick, or a thought-provoking documentary, there's always something new to discover and enjoy in the world of cinema. So sit back, relax, and let the magic of movies sweep you away.